Hey, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Hold on. I think the door is stuck or something. That's right, our favorite cleaning tool, SpongeBob SquarePants. Uh-oh, it looks like he's late for work. Meanwhile, let's enjoy some freshly squeezed jellyfish jelly. In fact, why don't we make a rainbow jelly parfait? SpongeBob won't mind if we use his house. He does this all the time. Make sure you give everything a chance to settle. Now, why not take a great big slice? It's just like a slice of rainbow cake, but with a nice citrusy aroma. Help with candy. Plus, nothing will help better than a wheel. And by wheel, we're talking Ferris wheel. Wow, we're really going places with this. Remember, you don't need a license to drive a Ferris wheel. A lot of our friends are in the mood for dumplings. So you're saying that there's a business for them? Seems like the perfect time to try out our new dumpling vending machine. Gotta love the world of supply and demand. But don't forget, it's what's on the inside that counts. Like our special mechanism. And some mini dumplings wouldn't hurt. Why don't we try the tried and true rainbow model? One in each color. After all, it worked for SpongeBob's pretty patties. Couldn't be easier. Pull the lever and you get a treat. Okay, Sonic. Want to be our first victim? Why, look! It's our friendly neighborhood spaceman! And he's got a special treat for us. A gel that goes great with ice. And other ingredients. I mean, you need something to wash all that candy down. And why pick a flavor when you can mix them all? Your soda's ready. Why not kick back and relax? Pretend it's a beach. And you don't need water to breathe. Oh, creamy milk chocolate. But that's too creamy. It melted. But maybe some jellyfishing will cheer you up. Because this is no ordinary jellyfish. It's made of cotton candy. Hey, here's an idea. We can mix it up with our melted chocolate. First, just pour all that cocoa into our special mold. Now cover it up with pieces of candy floss. We still have some chocolate left over, so add another layer. Wow! We have a special new custom-made bar! Everything and anything is improved with glitter. Ah, green and gold. Such rich colors! But why don't we go and share the wealth? Cream-filled dumplings? Donuts, maybe. Oh, look. Our platinum bunny wants to help. And nothing beats freshly squeezed. What are we making exactly? A silly goo? A slimy stew? Well, whatever it is, we know that it's going places. It's filling, which means it has to fill something. Ah, funnels. Is there nothing they can't do? Just tie it up nice and tight. And put on a happy face. On the dumpling, of course, but smile if you want to. Either way, congrats on your bouncy baby ball. Ooh, are we searching for buried treasure? Quick, get the sift! There's gold in them thar sand. Even better, we've got a baby bunting dumpling. Always wondered where they came from. Wash it off. In fact, you could use a bath. You know what that means? Bubbles. A loofah won't hurt either. Wow, you're ruby red! Let's hope some witch doesn't make shoes out of him. Wow, a safe. Probably shouldn't show your code on screen. After all, we've got a real treasure inside. It's another dumpling? She doesn't seem too happy. I mean, I guess you've had your fill so far. Don't worry, I know something that'll cheer you up. Our friends have returned to keep you company. Or add some flavor to these dumplings, whichever comes first. We're really on a roll. I wonder what's inside. Blocks! Well, what'd you expect? Dumplings? Come on, we always keep our audiences guessing. Besides, we can still use them to make a dumpling. I think. Better crank out the magic wand. Bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. Ha! Voila! A parfait dumpling! Wow! A dumpling Happy Meal! And what speedy delivery! Is that a slice of cheese? Well, it sure is stretchy! Well, when life gives you cheese, make cheeseburgers. And we like our buns nice and squishy, just like our dumplings. Any takers? Oh, Derpy's always here to help. Especially when it comes with a free lunch. Wait, the napkin! Yes, it looks like inspiration strikes! Cut it into a circle, fold like a fan, and run a needle and thread through it. Stuff it up with some, well, stuffing, and pull that thread. No one's, not even dumplings, complete without a smile. You can never have too much fun, Squish. And you can never have enough dumplings. Gotta love when they come in blind bag form. Oh, it looks like we've got a set of wrappers. I guess that means there's some assembly required. I wonder if we get to supply our own filling. Well, guess that makes it easy to customize. You know the drill. Put on a happy face. But let's mix things up with a little wink. Always remember, the best dumplings are made with love. SpongeBob's here to see Patrick. Ooh, looks like he's out jellyfishing. Hold on, he must have forgot his hands. Is that his head? Oh, no, that's it over there. Keep looking until we find his pants next. Oh, don't worry, we can always rebuild him. Looks like this star will rise again. You can tell this is SpongeBob's luggage. It's got his face on it. All his stuff's got his face on it. And yet, his luggage still goes missing. It's such a shame to lose good slime. And it's important stuff from Goo Lagoon, too. The best part is when we've got all the colors collected. You can use it to make a bright, shiny rainbow. Why don't we give it a nice massage? Uh-oh, the colors are blending! Add something on top. Is there anything that glitter can't fix? Mix it together, and what have you got? I'm not sure, but it kind of looks like a pumpkin. Until you open it up, and it's Sponge Block. Which means Patrick isn't too far behind. And look, we've even got Mr. Krabs. The gang's almost here. Oh boy, it's 3 a.m. You know what that means. It's time for a delicious Krabby Patty. Would you like Krabby fries with that? Open up, Patrick. SpongeBob made it with love. Nothing but the best for his best friend. And there's always room for dessert. Don't know why, but strawberry made him think of you. Something to wash it down. Next, SpongeBob wants to play with a cardboard puzzle. Let's speed things up with a little karate! Next up, collect all of these pieces and stack them up together. It's just what we need to finish our special diorama. It's really nice, but it could use some colors. Yellow for SpongeBob. And pink for Patrick. Of course, we need to make sure to spread it around, too. Looks like a job for our trusty paintbrush. Make sure to clean it, or Patrick will end up orange. Don't forget a little white for the eyes. Plus some baby blues. Wow! It's almost like they're springing to life! Ooh, look at all of this colorful sand. About time Squidward made an appearance. He sure likes to make an impression, doesn't he? Now it's Mr. Krabs. Hope he doesn't charge us for this. Of course, we can't forget the star of the show. And we're not talking about Patrick. We mean SpongeBob. But don't worry, we haven't forgotten SpongeBob's best friend. Still, I think it's time we put our personal stamp on things. Actually, there's all sorts of things we can do with our friends. Though they might not keep in one place. Don't worry, we can always make more of them. Well, as long as we keep those cookie cutters. Okay, that was fun. But you know what's more fun? Why, it's bringing everybody together. In fact, we're gonna need a big mold for this next job. This SpongeBob's got a little bit of everyone inside him. But why don't we help him with these bubbles? You know how SpongeBob makes everything a party, especially when bubbles are involved. Oh, look. Patrick sure could use a shave.
Wow.
Here, lie back, relax, and we'll give you a wash. Water won't do much on its own. Well, a sponge has gotta do what a sponge has gotta do. Just lather, rinse, and repeat. Seriously, repeat. And soon, our old Patrick is back.
Yeah.
Look, it's a mini SpongeBob. And he's ready, he's ready, he's ready. Ready to start spinning, complete with light show. SpongeBob is a real party animal. Just wait until he does the bunny hop. But now, it's time for him to hit the floor. Ah, Gary's always been so supportive of him. Is that Plankton? Leave her brain alone! We should really keep an eye on you. Speaking of eye, he needs one. Just one. Someone's looking good. Well, evil good. Hey, we've got a little surprise for you. You finally get to go into business with Mr. Krabs. Uh-oh, looks like stormy seas ahead. Oh no, the gang's all mixed up. Let's help them find their right houses. I know, we'll make them some signs. Just add the right color button where it's needed. Plenty of pink to go around. We've got green too. All it needs now is a leg to stand up. Here guys, go to the place with your face on it. Ah, nothing beats a good homecoming. Oh, SpongeBob, what's wrong? I know. You miss your best friend in the world. If the shell didn't tip you off, it's Gary. After all, home is where the shell is. But we're not done yet. We need a body. Some membrane, and 2 eye stalks. A snail without a shell is just a slug. Ooh, Gary must be eating all of his veggies. Which reminds me, it's time for dinner. It's okay to play with your food. But it's not easy being green. Use all sorts of colors. Pour them out. Now you can really taste the rainbow. Add to the sand. The coral's really in bloom. Bikini Bottom's in session. Time to relax. Oh wait, there's one more finishing touch. Sorry, Dolly, we're gonna need that gravel. A road will really help you get around. But our underwater world needs one more thing. Water. Someone make sure Sandy's wearing her helmet. Oh, she's in her tree dome. Good, good. Wow, we can practically swim in this thing. I didn't mean that as a challenge. Seems like a nice place to raise a school. Ooh, the jellyfish are in season. Hey, Nemo, your dad's looking for you. Either way, let's explore our underwater world. Granted, there's no surprises when you're the architect. Wow, I can't believe I can hold my breath this long.